What's up with y'all? It's Miss KJ here, back with another read aloud for you all. And summer's almost over, which means the weather is changing. It's starting to get colder. The leaves are changing colors. People are starting to go apple picking. People are starting to eat apples. People are starting to bake with apples. Wait, do you even like apples? Well, in this read aloud, we're going to be reading all about apples. And apples everywhere, learning about apple harvest by Robin Koontz, illustrated by Nadine Takborian. Plants are turning brown. The air smells fresh. It feels chilly. It's not summer anymore. Time to pick apples. Wow, look at all the apples. At the apple orchard, trees sag with ripe fruit. Welcome to our apple harvest. Apples come in shades of red, yellow, or green. Apples can be as small as a cherry. They can be as big as a grapefruit. Wow, that one's huge. I got it. In the orchard, people are busy picking and packing apples. Fruit ladders help workers reach apples in the tall trees. We need a lot of help in autumn. We could eat some of those apples. Don't drop that apple. An apple rots quickly if it's bruised. Workers put the apples in boxes. It's best to store apples in a cool place. Apple worms live inside some apples. Apple worms are really moth caterpillars. The caterpillars eat the seeds and fruit. Later, they squirm their way out. What's worse than finding a worm in your apple? Finding half a worm. Yuck! Some apples taste tart. People like to use them for baking pies. I like the sour ones. Pucker up! Sweet, crunchy apples are best for munching. Apples can be used for games too. Let's bob for apples. We can bob for apples because they float. Cider is made from apples. First, the fruit is crushed. Then, the apple juice pours into a bucket. What's that smell? Apple cider! People have harvested apples for thousands of years. It's fun to celebrate the apple harvest with others. The end. Thank you all so much for joining my read aloud about apples everywhere. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys stay tuned for more. And thank you all so much again. Bye!